such a great pleasure to have you here. But tell me, are you from past, present, or the future?
Frankly, Partho, I feel like Obi-Wan Kenobi of Star Wars fame, but I don't think I'm dead, at least not yet. Recall Obi-Wan appeared as a computer-generated holographic avatar to answer important questions about the future, such as where to go, what to do, how to become a Jedi Master. How can I help you?
That's great. So, Obi-Wan Jin, tell us where is ASC headed?
There's so much work to be done. I should be on my way. My new Millennium Falcon's waiting out in the parking lot. Goodbye, and may the Echo Force be with you.
Bye, Jim. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, the recipient of the Outstanding Achievement Lifetime Award, thank you. Worldwide, data sets were analyzed and were submitted back within a median interval of 12 hours. Once again, in this particular study, we realized the structural data sets were rather easier to understand. The challenge was with the data variability with functional data sets like LV function assessment for such data mining to be done manually. One of the techniques could be to look at this data set as a matrix. And then inside the matrix, try to look for the associations that differentiate.
I'd like to beam up Martin De Beers and Chuck Stuckey back from San Jose. Martin, I'm beaming you up now with my spatial controls. How are you doing? Hey, Chuck, how you doing?
John, we're doing great, thank you.
Hey, John.
Hey, guys. You know, yesterday, Martin, you looked a little bit bigger than me. I hope today we're going to play with some sizes and we'll kind of give the audience an idea how we can make variations on that.
I believe so, John. I'll tell you, it's been a long day here in California. You know, we were up here at 3 a.m. our time. We're still wearing the same shirts. And we had a 5.6 magnitude earthquake about an hour ago. So I'm here to tell you, though, that everything's fine. We've had no major damage here in San Jose. And, you know, as a global company, we'll continue to operate.
Well, you know, it's amazing. You can see each other as though we were playing poker. I can see you sweat a little bit. I can see that you both shaved since the last time I saw you. But we don't have the sense of smell yet. But it is...
that was a good thing, John.
We haven't quite figured out how to make that virtually come through to your hands, Wim, or how do you pass it back. But, Chuck, your humor's improving. I like that. And thanks very much. All kidding aside, you're on a tremendous run. Congratulations on the last quarter. Great, and it's amazing. Congratulations. Doing good. It's the right thing to do, but it's also just good for business. Well done.
Absolutely. Thanks, John.
Thank you.
So I'll
Have
be
a good day.
back for Q&A, I believe.
All right. Basketball coming back.
All right. Thanks.
So let's move our heart over here and learn a little bit more about it. The heart actually has 4 chambers. There are 2 receiving chambers on the top, one that sits on the right side called the right atrium, and one that sits on the left side called the left atrium. The right atrium gets poorly oxygenated blood back from the body, and the left atrium gets good oxygenated blood back from the lungs. On the bottom part of the heart are 2 pumping chambers called ventricles. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs, and the left ventricle pumps blood to the body.
We've invented a concept that we call image intimacy, where we allow the users the full freedom to engage with a 3D image literally.
I could freely crop the hologram to define a desired plane, giving me comprehensive understanding of. I was able to view it from any angle, rotate it, you can mark a point or draw a path in the hologram. Electrophysiology interventions, as well as for many other medical applications.
I truly believe we can have a tremendous impact
Welcome to the GE NX Theater. As we all know, the next generation of long-range aircraft is in development. To power them, GE is creating the most advanced turbofan engine in our history, the GE NX. Let's take a look at the amazing advantages this engine has to offer. Starting right here with the composite fan. Composites really set the GE NX apart. These materials are light, durable, and incredibly strong. And they've already been proven in service on the GE90. GE NX composite fan blades are integrally formed to deliver advanced aerodynamic performance. We're extending our success with these materials here to the fan case, which will reduce the weight of each engine by 350 pounds. Positioned aft of the fan is the low-pressure compressor. As with many components in the GE NX, it incorporates the latest 3D aerodynamic improvements. And check this out. There's a debris rejecting system to keep foreign material from entering the compressor. Here, in the heart of the GE NX, is the most efficient compact core we have ever produced. Let's take a closer look at the 10-stage high-pressure compressor. It uses 4 fewer stages than the engine it will replace. And fewer stages mean fewer parts and less cost. This efficient compressor will deliver an astounding 23-to-1 pressure ratio, while providing the same stall-free operation GE is known for. The GE NX combustor is the most advanced in the industry. Its innovative pre-mixing design directs airflow through unique swirlers and around nested fuel nozzles to create a fuel-air mixture that's ideal for leaner combustion. The result? Lower flame temperatures that reduce NOx emissions and extend the life of downstream components. Let's talk turbines for a moment. Turbines extract energy from the core flow. The counter-rotating architecture of the GE NX allows for an even more efficient airflow and eliminates an entire stage of airfoils. Even when it's in the air, the GE NX is under the microscope. By using integrated diagnostic technology, the engine can monitor its own condition, diagnose faults, track performance history, and even monitor part life limits. The GE NX features a unique modular maintenance concept designed to deliver significant savings in time and cost. As you can see, the engine easily splits into 2 modules, the fan and the propulsor. This innovative design, first proven on the GE90, makes the GE NX exceptionally easy to maintain. And because the fan stator module is virtually maintenance-free, our customers can benefit from up to 10% in spare engine acquisition cost. The GE NX is a giant leap forward. It takes advanced, proven technologies and combines all of them into one efficient, reliable turbofan engine. It is the first great engine of the 21st century. It is imagination at work. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us to learn about the new GE NX and how it complements next-generation aircraft. Enjoy the rest of your day at the show.